This is the one-arm chi roll, rolling towards us or rolling backwards with our palms facing downwards. First, drop the Dragonstaff and start with your posture. So stand up nice and straight. We're going to hold our arm out to the side, shoulder relaxed, elbow upwards a little bit, and palm of the hand about eye height. You want your fingers to be closed, a nice straight angle between your hand and your forearm, and your elbow out to the side, not straight. So you have this nice bent, curved action here. And now, bring your hand down away from you towards the ground, up past your face, and out again. You want to drawing a circle in the wheel plane or side plane, which is this plane designated by my hand, just here. So elbow out to the side, drawing these nice circles, getting used to this position here. Same with the left hand. Elbow out to the side, relax shoulder. Bring your hand close to the ground, up past your face and down again. We start with the staff in this position here. Left hand either in this OK position or just resting it loosely between your thumb and forefinger so that it can roll freely. Right hand placed just close to the center point on the back of your hand. Fingers together, palm facing down, elbow to the side. Raise your hand up just a little bit so your hand is about eye height and above your shoulder. As you do this, the staff will start to roll down your arm. Remember to keep that elbow out to the side. Let it roll all the way to your upper arm, and as it gets to your shoulder, stop the staff with your left hand here. Bring your hand down towards you. Wait. Yes. Lift it up, pivot on your right hand, and then let the staff roll towards your elbow again. To your upper arm, bend your arm down, pick up with your right hand, and pivot using this action here. And keep that hand at eye height so the staff has a place to roll down. Pick up, pivot, let it roll. Remember to keep that elbow out to the side. After you're comfortable with this, you can stop the staff here, and instead of letting the staff roll up your arm, you can bend your arm and pick up the staff with your forearm. Remember to keeping that elbow high to give it a slope to roll down towards your face. As the staff rolls towards your hands, you can lift the hand up, pivot on the back of your hand, and back down again. You can always slow the staff down with this hand or grab it to pause it at any time. So raise the arm up, get it rolling to the hand, pivot, back down to the elbow, and pivot, and you can get it much smoother. To smooth it out, you want the staff to be at the top of your fingertips at the top of the circle and at the elbow at the bottom of the circle. So elbow, hands at the bottom, fingertips at the top. And you get this nice chi roll action where the staff is pivoting at your elbow and pivoting at the hands. And always remember to do both directions. Rolling to the elbow, pivot, upper arm, pick it up, pivot away. Remember to always, you can stop the hand, the staff here to practice this action, get it rolling again, pick up, away, and then transitioning to rolling your elbow. Remember to lift your elbow up high here to give the staff a nice slope to roll down. And then practice smoothing it out. Now from the front, lift and roll, bend to the elbow, pick up and back. There's a few different ways you can vary this. You can make the action a lot smaller, or you can extend it out all the way to slow down the action. So instead of making a circle, you're making a straight line with the staff, or with your arm I should say. We can also isolate it a little bit so the staff is not moving as little as possible. These are a fundamental part of chi rolls in Dragonstaff and Dragonstaff in general, as Dragonstaff is a consistently rolling prop usually. This is a really nice way to keep the staff rolling and have this continuous rolling pattern as a very useful way to start the staff rolling and go into and out of other tricks.